Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring power and backups are solid. Charge the 3DS above half and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Once done, copy your SD card folder to a PC so saves and homebrew files are safe. Make sure you know the current firmware version and that you have the correct 17 update files or official system update available. This reduces risk and explains why we do each step. Power prevents bricking, backups let you recover, and correct files ensure compatibility. You now perform the core update process. Insert the SD card containing the update or installer and boot into the Homebrew launcher if required. Next, either trigger the official system update via system settings or run the custom installer for 17 following exact prompts. During installation, watch progress and do not power off or close the lid. Interruption can brick the unit. Make sure to wait for the completion message once the system restarts. Verify the version in settings to confirm success. You finalize by checking system settings for 17 and launching a few games or apps to ensure functionality. Once confirmed, restore any transferred files from your backup and reinstall necessary CIAs or titles if they were removed. If something went wrong, capture the exact error code and power cycle the device, then attempt a safe restore from your SD backup or reapply the installer. This provides a clear recovery path. Make sure to preserve the original backup until everything runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.